So welcome to Liquidity Ratios Problem 2. We're using the same numbers as the first problem, but now we're calculating the quick ratio. This is also called the acid test ratio. Now the quick ratio is not as intuitive in terms of its name as the current ratio, but quite simply it's the current assets minus the inventory also minus the prepayments if we have that situation. We don't have prepayments in this example, divided by current liabilities. It's called quick ratio because it's the current assets in the numerator that are quicker or quickest to turn into cash. We don't include inventory because it takes the longest to turn into cash. You first need to sell it, and then you have a receivable, and then the receivable has to be collected. It becomes cash. In the case of prepayments, they are current assets, but they are cash that you have paid for services or like prepaid rent that will be incurred afterwards, or the services will be received afterwards. It's not something you get paid back, so it can't be turned into cash. That's why it's not included in the quick ratio as well. So in this example, we have cash, accounts receivable, and inventory. Like in the last one, those are the current assets, and the current liabilities are accounts payable and other short-term liabilities. Now, we could have just taken the answer for the total current assets, subtract out inventories, but in this case, we can see the quick ratio is cash plus accounts receivable. So that's a 2,472 and a 5940. And the current liabilities are the 4290 and the 5480. So you see, we're not including the inventory in this ratio. So with using the numbers involved, we have an answer of 0.86. So thank you for your attention and hope that helped.